In a world where innovation never sleeps, one creation has shattered every boundary of design, luxury, and technology. Meet the world's first fully electric motorhome. Not just a vehicle, but a self-contained futuristic mansion on wheels. A machine so silent, so intelligent, and so advanced, it feels like it was built not for Earth, but for the next generation of explorers. This is not your ordinary RV. This is the Elysium One, the future of travel. From the first glance, the Elysium One doesn't look like a motorhome. It looks like a spacecraft disguised as a road vehicle. Its body is sculpted from ultralight carbon titanium composite, wrapped in a matte graphite finish that absorbs and reflects light in a mesmerizing dance. Aerodynamic panels fold seamlessly into solar-integrated wings, and hidden cameras replace every mirror, projecting a 360-degree live view inside the cabin. The front grille? Gone. Instead, a digital airflow system breathes like a living organism, adapting its cooling pattern in real time. As night falls, the vehicle awakens. LED veins trace across its frame like electricity pulsing through metal veins. The ambient lighting shifts colors based on driving mood. Serenity blue for cruising, pulse red for acceleration. Every arrival feels cinematic. Every departure, a statement. Step inside, and it's as if you've entered a luxury suite designed by AI and nature itself. Minimalist elegance meets futuristic comfort. Soft touch recycled leather, sculpted glass, and bamboo fiber panels merge sustainability with sophistication. The cabin adapts instantly. Seats rotate, lighting adjusts, temperature stabilizes, all based on your biometric signature. No buttons, no switches. Everything responds to voice, gesture, or even your gaze. The panoramic ceiling fades from transparent to opaque with a single thought. Yes, this RV reads your intent through neural sensors in the driver's seat. Welcome to intuitive travel. But the real marvel hides where no one expects: the bathroom. Inspired by space engineering, it features a retractable shower wall that folds into the cabin's side panel. Water purification happens through nanofiltration, recycling every droplet. The mirror doubles as a medical scanner, analyzing hydration, stress, and skin condition daily. It's not just a bathroom, it's a wellness lab. The lounge transforms at the push of a thought, from cozy living room to digital workspace to full home theater. A 100-inch transparent OLED display emerges from the ceiling, and surround speakers simulate the acoustics of a private cinema. The floor itself has climate control, warm in winter, cool in summer. And when you park in the middle of nowhere, the smart glass walls reveal a 270-degree view of the stars. Beneath its elegant shell lies a powerhouse, a dual-motor all-wheel drive producing 900 horsepower. With instant torque, it glides from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, unheard of for an RV. Its graphene battery pack stores 400 kWh, delivering up to 900 miles on a single charge. The roof's solar array and kinetic energy recovery system extend that even further, potentially infinite travel. Charging? The Elysium One can recharge from 0 to 80% in just 15 minutes using a wireless induction grid. No cables, no waiting. Just park and power up. Safety isn't just a feature here, it's instinctive. The onboard AI, Helios, constantly scans 360 degrees around the vehicle, predicting motion and adjusting automatically. It detects fatigue, road hazards, even weather shifts, preparing accordingly before you notice. With level 5 autonomy, you can take your hands off completely and let Helios handle the journey. Yes, it drives itself. The Elysium One is not just connected to the road, it's connected to the cloud. Over-the-air updates keep its brain evolving. Built-in Starlink connectivity ensures seamless internet, no matter where you roam. AI learns your habits. Coffee ready when you wake, music matched to mood, cabin adjusted for sunrise or sleep. It's not transportation, it's transformation. Now, the shocking part. With this level of design, autonomy, and luxury, you'd expect a price tag reserved for billionaires. But the first Elysium One prototypes are expected to start at $1.2 million, targeting elite eco-travelers who want sustainability without compromise. Production, limited to just 50 units worldwide in its first run. Each one personalized by AI, ensuring no two are alike. This isn't just the world's first all-electric motorhome. It's a glimpse into the future of human mobility. a symbol of freedom, intelligence, and clean luxury. Would you dare to live inside the future? Don't forget to subscribe to Mototech Homes for more cinematic AI reviews of the vehicles redefining travel. Which feature blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments, and buckle up. The future is already here.